Hi there, folks, and welcome to another Workspace Wednesday right here on Lean Strategies International LLC, where you can find solutions that ignite your power. Well, if you're just joining the channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button so you can come back each week for tips on supply chain, operations, and of course, our famous Workspace Wednesday. We're glad to have you here. Now we're going to continue with our series on Google Sheets functions, and this week we're going to cover the SUMIF function. Now this one can be a little bit tricky because there's a sum function, a SUMIF function, and a SUMIFs function. So the SUMIF function will help you, can be applied to one criteria or one argument, as you'll see here. So let's go ahead and jump right in and help you understand the SUMIF function a little bit better. So you'll see these are the same, this is the same template from our sum formula video. And if we wanted to sum these up, we could hit equal sign sum, open bracket, highlight the string or the range that we want to sum, and you'll see we'll get $9,282. Now what if we had a criteria that we wanted to apply and have it pull out that specific amount? So let's hit the equal sign and enter SUMIF, and you'll see that it comes right up there. We're going to open our bracket and we're going to use the same range here. So that's the first thing we're going to put in our function. So we've got our range selected, then we want to hit the comma. Now we're going to look for a criterion. And so you will see this is what it's going to, the way it's described is the pattern or test to apply to, but this is the criteria that your function is going to pull out of this range. So in our case, what we want to do is, what we're going to use in our example is a greater than symbol. So to do that, we want to use our quotes, and we're going to put a greater than symbol. Now let's say we're looking for every number that is greater than 1500. So we'll simply type in 1500. We'll close that, and then we'll close our brackets off. And what you'll see is that we get a different number here. And you can go through the range and see that the only number that was summed up is this one number, because it's the only one that's greater than 1500. Now if we go back over here and we change our formula a little bit, so let's double click in here and we'll change this to 1200 and see what happens. Well, now we get this number that's going to add, as well as this number that's going to add, and none of the rest in our string are greater than 1200. So that's how the SUMIF formula works. You can use it for greater than, you can use it for less than, you can use it for equal. You can do a range of different criteria to select from. So play around with the SUMIF function, and if you have any questions about it, just leave a comment down below in the comments section. We'll be sure to get right back to you. Please like the video and share it with all your friends if it helped you out, and we'll see you next week right here on Lean Strategies International LLC.